Hey, InfoComm's 2017. Carl here from Technomad Audio Systems. We're talking about this kind of innocuous-looking but very powerful message repeater called the Schedulon. So, originally developed for some of our military customers, the Schedulon does two things really well. You can store a lot of audio on it in SD, and then you can assign some of that audio to have quick access by this knob and screen. So you can have a few cues ready to grab in case of an emergency, tornado warning, happy birthday, whatever it is, you can have those cues ready to go. And they can have different play modes. They'll play one time and stop, or you can have ones that only play while it's being pushed in as a sound effect, or you can have some that will loop forever until you tell it to stop. So sounds available quickly with different play modes. But the real power of this thing is that it has a real-time clock and a network connection. So over here, you can see the website or web screen that this will show you when you connect to it. Again, no software required. This is just an ordinary browser, and we're connected directly to the Schedulon. You could also put it on the internet and do everything I'm showing you from anywhere in the world, from your phone or from your computer. So this page lets you configure the Schedulon. You have settings like you can enable or disable that knob. You can set up passwords and use of a network time server if you'd like. You can remote control the device and trigger sounds to play from anywhere, looping or just one time. You can go on the media page, you can upload files. So you're on vacation and your client says, I have to have a new version of that song. You can upload that song, rename stuff, delete, and even trigger recording remotely, which is stored, again, on the Schedulon's internal SD card. Once you have all the media on there, you can build playlists, as we're loading up here. Playlists can be groups of songs, which have a particular order you define. You could have a seaside party mix with 300 songs on it if you like, and multiple playlists. Once you have the playlists and the individual files, you can assign them to the knob. So here's a file that's assigned to the knob position 1, but here's a whole playlist that's assigned to knob position 4. So you could play a song, or you could play 300 songs in that poolside mix at the click of a button. And finally, we have the actual schedule. Now, the unit knows what time it is because it has this very accurate clock, and you can tell it to play, this media file every day at 5 o'clock until 5 o'clock p.m. every 10 minutes and repeat it 2 times, etc. So you can build an incredibly complex bell system, automatic playback of music, announcements. So the sky's the limit. And all of this, remember, is saved on the unit. If we lose our connection, the Schedulon's going to keep doing what you told it to. It does not require the internet or anything else to keep getting the job done. So think about it for bell systems, background music, theatrical applications, you name it, or call us. We're easily reachable at technomad.com. And that was the Schedulon. Thanks for listening.